winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Friday, mostly cloudy with showers likely with isolated thunderstorms in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Areas of fog in the morning. Highs around 80. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 60%. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Northwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Fork River, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Barnegat Light, Garden State North Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Harvey Cedars, Fork River, Ocean Gate, Seaside Park, and Ship Bottom. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is the